Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. We're now doing the news 3 times a week here at Crypto Global News. A new episode will be coming out to you every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. If you're in Los Angeles, it'll be launched at 2 p.m. your time. If you're in New York, you're looking at a 5 p.m. start. And if you're in London, it'll start at 10 p.m. for you. Please make sure you hit that subscribe and notifications button so you don't miss an episode. Enjoy the show. Japanese regulators are planning to approve the cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, otherwise known as EFTs, instead of cryptocurrency derivatives such as Bitcoin futures and Bitcoin options. According to a recent Bloomberg report, the Financial Service Agency, otherwise known as the FSA of Japan, is considering EFTs, which tracks digital assets. The decision to bar cryptocurrency futures is a setback for the crypto investors who are betting on institutional demand, which could help to end a year-long sell-off, especially after the security breach which took place at the Japanese crypto exchange CoinCheck. An anonymous source, which is familiar to the workings of the FSA, said the regulator decided against pursuing revisions to the nation's securities law, which would have allowed crypto futures and options to be listed on major financial exchanges, after concluding that such products would achieve little besides stock speculation. If the Japanese do approve EFTs, it'll be interesting to see how this will affect the greater crypto market. Ethereum Classic, also known as ETC, which is ranked around 17th on CoinMarketCap with a market cap close to $550 million, has been hit with a 51% attack. The attack resulted in a blockchain reorganization hundreds of blocks deep. Since the news broke, ETC's price is down 7%, cutting about $40 million off of its market cap. There's no obvious linkage between the primary development team walking out and this 51% attack. However, Ethereum Classic appears to be in a bad way. A 51% attack is enough to ruin the reputation of any cryptocurrency, since it makes users lose confidence that the cryptocurrency is actually secure. One has to wonder if Ethereum Classic will rebound from this attack. The Italian government has set up a blockchain advisory board of 30 experts with knowledge in industry in all related fields. The board will examine use cases for the technology in both the private and public sectors. In December of 2018, Italy was one of the 7 EU members that signed a declaration to incorporate blockchain technology into its economy. The nation's Ministry of Economic Development released a list of these experts whose backgrounds span a number of different fields, including business, technology, and the law. It'll be interesting to see if this effect brings more crypto investment into Italy and to the European Union more generally. Moving on to France, a French artist has hidden $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in a fresco somewhere in Paris. Calling himself Pascal Boy, or P-Boy, he says the fresco is in Paris, and even though it's technically a secret place, it's not supposed to be too hard to find. The artist has hidden about 0.26 Bitcoins, or about $1,000 US, but someone else has apparently sent to the address 0.025 Bitcoin, which is about $150, with the artist himself saying this was only possible through donations to his address. The fresco itself is being called La Liberté Guidante le Peuple 2019, inspired from the painting by Delacroix. The nurturing of liberty should not be covered, a hint perhaps of where the private key may actually be hidden, with the artwork of course dedicated to what looks more like an uprising. Let's see if someone finds that hidden Bitcoin. And in our final story for today's show, 2019 is kicking off with a bang, as the new Nasdaq Power DX Exchange has gone live. The news of the launch has been doing the round since May of 2018, when the news of it broke during the consensus event in New York. The market has been waiting eagerly for the first such kind of exchange that would allow cryptocurrency users to invest in actual stocks and not just contracts for difference, otherwise known as CFDs. The exchange will allow trading options for the top 6 coins of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, and Litecoin. It'll pair the 6 major cryptocurrencies with the United States dollar, the euro, and the Japanese yen. It'll also allow the cryptocurrency holders to invest and trade in shares belonging to companies such as Apple, Intel, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Netflix, and Nvidia, among others. This is a very exciting day for the world of crypto, and it may bring a whole bunch of new retail traders into the crypto market. Many thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please make sure you're hitting that subscribe and notifications button. And if you have any thoughts on this video or crypto more generally, just drop us a line in the comments below. For Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. Until next time, you take it easy.